Welcome to Affiliate Profit Pages University. Also, this is the Glenmurray Online YouTube channel. Now, what we're going to talk about today is showing you how you do those really cool video effects where it comes out, stuff flies out from behind you. You know, like, whoa, pretty cool. Well, what you're going to need, your smartphone. I shoot everything on my phone. Some people use a expensive camera. I just do it on my iPhone because it looks great. You're going to need, I use CapCut. I do have the upgraded version, so I don't know if the cutout works, but it's totally worth it if you're going to be making content. It's just one of the tools you're going to need. So that's what I'm using. That's what I'm going to demonstrate it in. And it's really, really, really simple to do. And CapCut has a whole bunch of stuff, but I know there's other things that do the same thing. So let me just go over and find my screen that I'm going to share here. Okay, so here's one that
I'm going to show you exactly how to make $1,522 on one site. I need smartphone.
See how that's coming up behind there.
And Wi-Fi. Make sure you save, like, and watch
so simple to do, guys.
Let me show you how you're going to do it.
And also these animated captions, they're done for you in.
Next, you want to go to Marketplace and click on e-business.
In
average commissions. Click here.
I mean, they're limited. You can't really do much about them. And maybe there's a better program, but you know what? It's just about getting the content. It's more about getting the content out there. Quality is good, but as you are making content, you kind of just get better at editing, and it makes it more interesting. Okay, so that's that. Let me go to the next. So I got to go over to CapCut. So I can show you. So this is a video I'm going to do up today. So here we are in CapCut. Okay, so this is what I'm doing about AI. So one of the things, it's right here. It says, you know, a laptop. You're going to need a laptop, a smartphone. So if I want to put smartphone right where that says smartphone, so what I want to do is I want to copy. So just so you know, guys, I cut my my clips are all like, you know, 4 seconds, 2 seconds, 4 seconds, 4 seconds, 6 seconds. They're all really short, and I just drop them into the timeline. So I have cuts every few seconds, which makes it interesting. Once I drop the cut in there, I just trim it. I just highlight it, and I drag the end of it back and forth. And then I can look at it, I can show you. So see, I can do this. I'm just taking out that blank space. There's an undo button here on the left. Now, so what do I want to do? I want to put that smartphone right there, smartphone. I want smartphone to pop up behind my head, okay? This is so easy, guys. So copy that and paste it. So now I've got a new, it pastes wherever your timeline is. So now I've got the exact same video on top, right? The only tool you're going to need is a smartphone. So I've got the clip highlighted. I want to go over in video, and the next button over up here, it says auto cutout. So now I cut it out completely. Now, if I was to hide this, oops, the main track, see how it's cut out? So now I've got myself over top of myself. So now all I need to do is go up to stickers, and I'm going to grab, just type in iPhone. So now I'm going to put it behind the clip here, right? Oops. So I want to put it, come on, there. Now it's behind the clip. So I want it to pop up like this, right? Right behind me. So I'm going to go like this. Where does it say smartphone? I'm going to go over to animation on the clip. I'm going to make it slide up.
The smart.
And I'm going to, right here, you have in, out, and loop. And loop, I'm just going to make it do that. So now,
the only tools you're going to need is a smartphone, a laptop.
You want to make sure that you
let me show you exactly what I'm talking about.
Make sure you mute the track you doubled, or you're going to get an echo from the same track being twice. So just mute the track, that you mute the track over here, just turn off the little volume thing. So if you look at it,
the only tools you're going to need is a smartphone, a laptop.
See how it just popped up there? Now, the other thing you can do is go to audio and sound effects, and you can go whoosh. And there's a whoosh there. I don't know if you can hear that. I'm going to put that there. So now it's got a sound effect. So when it does it,
Tools you're going to need is a smartphone, a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a couple hours.
so that's one. So now for the laptop, I can do the same thing. Copy, paste, right? Put it on the same timeline and do auto cutout. And then do stickers, laptop. Now you could also bring stuff in, like if you have stuff from the internet, you could just bring that in too. So you can drag this laptop right there. Do the same animation. So in, I want it to slide up.
Laptop,
And loop, I want it to,
what?
right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it right here. So, and I'm gonna copy my whoosh. I'm just hitting Control C and Control V, guys, on my keyboard. Learn to use it.
A smartphone, a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a couple of.
So see, I can just keep doing this. So I can right away, I can do Wi-Fi. This should be here, lined up there. Copy this guy. Put him there. Cut out. And now I can go Wi-Fi. Find a Wi-Fi thing, stick that in there, move him up. Oops. Undo. Select. Put him up there. Again, do the in is slide up.
Wi-Fi.
The loop. Sorry, guys. I got a window right in me, so it's kind of hard to see. And then I can do another whoosh, copy, paste. So now it's doing.
Tools you're going to need is a smartphone, a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a couple hours.
Yeah,
I'm sure you
the Wi-Fi go higher.
10,000. As you can see,
This isn't the best one to do it on, guys, but I just wanted to give you an example. This is the one I'm editing, so. So you can see.
You're going to need is a smartphone, a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a couple hours a day. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about.
And then you can just play around with the time. And like if you want it to be longer, like overlap, you can just put it on another timeline, right? So this could overlap there.
1,000. As you can see on my screen here, that's just
a smartphone, a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a couple hours a day. Let me show you.
See, that was cool. And a couple hours a day, or you could use a clock, right? And a lot of these animations, these stickers are animated. Right there. Copy, paste, put it up there. So now we have the clock.
Need is a smartphone, a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a couple hours a day. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about.
10,000.
The clock, the clock didn't animate. So what do I need to do?
I received today from the internet passively, and yet
Make sure you're on the clock. I want it to slide for looping. I want it to, and for slide in. There. Now we have
a smartphone, a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a couple hours a day. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Need is a smartphone, a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a couple hours a day. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about.
10,000. As you can see on my screen.
Make sure you grab what you need. Anyways, I hope that shows you what you can
Wi-Fi,
do.
a couple hours a day. Let me show you.
My head's kind of big in this video, so it's not gonna. It might not look as good. And that's basically how you do it. Like that's really easy. Now, if you want to put it in front, so let's say you could be making money daily online. So we could go money, and we could drag this one to here, put it down here, right? Add a sound effect. Cash. See if it just comes up with cash register. Yep. So we could add that. And now when I say the word money, a little animation will play.
Man, you could be making money daily online. Make sure you save this video, like this video, and watch it.
So basically,
the only tools you're going to need is
that's basically how you do it. Go back to a zoom here. So that's it, guys. So it's really, really simple if you're using these editing tools. And then to get a CapCut, you just hit export, and then it saves as an MP4. and then you would upload it. I actually share it over to my phone. And what my steps are, I share it to my phone, and then I actually put it on TikTok first, and I add background music, and I add really, really low background music. And then I don't post it onto TikTok. Right before you publish it on TikTok, there's a little pointy arrow down in your tools. You can download it with the sound. So if you did that in Instagram, you can't download it with the sound, but TikTok adds the sound for you. So then you can download it with the sound. Now you've got a finished video. You can upload it to Instagram. You can upload it to YouTube. Now, if you want to do it for both, you always got to keep your videos under 1 minute for YouTube, because you can't do longer than 1 minute short on YouTube. So all my videos I keep at I max them out. Some of them are like 59.5. So it says 60 minutes when I put up to YouTube. You don't have to though. If you're only focusing on Instagram, then you can make, not sure how long the shorts are, 3 minutes. I don't know. I just try to keep it at a minute so I can multi-purpose it and hit both platforms with the same video. So that's it. So if you have any questions, drop them below. If you want to get my weekly trainings, I do it in my university. I am sharing it on YouTube. I have a bunch of courses in the university. Let me show you what you get in there. Let's see. Here's all my classrooms. I'll show you exactly what you get. So here's what you get in the university. This is $10 a month, guys. If you buy any of my products, you get it offered for $97, I think. So if you went and bought Cheetah Method on Warrior Plus, it's currently $17, and then you'd be able to get in here for $97 for the year. So you got a $497, you get a free funnel here, you get all my weekly trainings, you've got my online marketing resources, you have a get paid, another free course here, and another free funnel that you can use. You get the Cheetah Method, that's in here. You get affiliate marketing on a shoestring. If you're really, really broke, I show you how to basically use just a single autoresponder to do an entire business. And then you can access my coaches program through here, which is AI Cash Machines, which I am in with Zach in his mastermind. And he's totally responsible for all my success. So if you want to get into this, I'll put a link below for my university. For $10 a month, you can't beat the value. You also get to message me in here. We have a student that just launched his first travel membership program. Like he's just launched a program, which is really exciting. So hopefully as soon as he makes it live for public affiliates, and I can share that, which is pretty cool. And yeah, and you can ask me questions in here. You can just chat with me and get in here. The community's, it's not super active, guys, but you have direct access to me for $10 a month, which is pretty cool. And but I do recommend getting into AI Cash Machines. I'll put a link for that too, because this is a very, very hopping community, and there's a ton of people in here, especially if you're in the mastermind. I'm on there daily. Zach's on there daily. We're just there trying to help people make money online. All right, let me go back. All right, so if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, drop them below. If you want to join my community, the link will be below. And if you want to join AI Cash Machines, my coaches program, I'll put the link to that below as well. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.